Ready to vibe? Let's dive into today's track. Dava Bratt's To the Disco is an all-out party anthem, pure energy. This track invites you to let loose from dinner till sunrise, blending catchy hooks with an infectious dancehall groove. The lyrics hit hard with lines like, "Come everybody party, come if we have fun, and my car rolls on, I need a ride to the disco." The call to peel, turn, bubble down, and mix herbs with a little white rum sets the perfect party mood. Dava Bratt masterfully captures the essence of celebration and non-stop energy. What stands out is how the song makes you feel unstoppable. "I'ma do the boogie woogie, I'ma try to slide" perfectly sums up the vibe. It's a refreshing reminder to shake off the day, embrace the music, and revitalize your spirit. I'm giving To the Disco an 8.5 out of 10, a must-listen for anyone ready to party hard. If you enjoyed this review, hit like and subscribe.